Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade Eno. This simple guide will show you how to create an effective antacid using common household items. It's perfect for when you need quick relief from indigestion or heartburn. We'll cover the ingredients, the mixing process, and how to use your homemade remedy safely and effectively. Let's get started on making your own digestive aid. To begin, you'll need just a few key ingredients. First, gather 2 parts baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, the primary antacid. Next, you'll need 1 part citric acid powder. This reacts with the baking soda to create the fizz. Finally, for a more palatable taste, you can optionally include 1 part powdered sugar. Ensure all your ingredients are fresh and dry for the best results. Now, let's mix our ingredients. The most crucial step is ensuring everything is completely dry to prevent premature reaction. In a clean, dry bowl, combine your 2 parts baking soda with 1 part citric acid powder. Stir these 2 components very thoroughly until they are evenly distributed. If you're adding powdered sugar, mix that in last, ensuring a consistent blend throughout your homemade Eno. Using your homemade Eno is straightforward. Simply dissolve 1 teaspoon of the mixture into about 150 milliliters of water. It will fizz vigorously, so drink it immediately while it's still effervescent for the best effect. For storage, keep your homemade antacid in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This ensures it's ready whenever you need quick relief.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.